The Orbit Pro is a Bluetooth transmitter that lets you connect your wireless headphones to any TV, allowing you to listen to your favorite movies and shows privately and at your own volume. Here are a few quick tips and tricks on how to use the Orbit Pro for best results. Tip 1. The Orbit Pro supports aptX low latency, which prevents lip sync delays while you're watching TV. Just be aware that your headphones or earbuds must also support this codec in order to take advantage of this functionality. Tip 2. When you're setting up your Orbit Pro, make sure that the cables connecting the transmitter to the TV are plugged into the Input from TV section, and that the input selector switch is set to match your cable type. Tip 3. Disconnect your headphones or earbuds from any other devices they're connected to before pairing with the Orbit Pro. Double check to make sure the headphones are in pairing mode as well. Tip 4. If you're using HDMI to connect your transmitter to the TV, be sure to plug it into the HDMI ARC port on your TV, not a regular HDMI port, and not on an AVR or streaming box or the like. Using an HDMI cable that's version 1.4 or newer also provides the best results. Tip 5. The Orbit Pro's pass-through function lets you listen through an external soundbar/speaker and your headphones simultaneously. But it only works with the same type of input and output. For example, if you connect to your TV optical, you'll need to connect to your speaker via optical as well. Tip 6. If you're connecting to a smart TV, make sure to deny your TV's request to connect to the Orbit Pro, as this will prevent the transmitter from connecting to your headphones. And there you have it. If you ever need any help with your Orbit Pro setup or product, please don't hesitate to reach out to us at support@avantree.com. We're here to help. And thanks for watching, and we hope you enjoy your experience with the Orbit Pro.